Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll in order to find the option. I'm not really sure where it is. The battery and device care. So just tap on it, and here tap on the battery. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find more battery settings. And as you can see right here, we've got show battery percentage option. So I assume that you've got it turned off. So you've got only the battery indicator, but as you can see, it's quite easy. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will immediately display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.